today we are at Gulzar Group of Institutes, Ludhiana. This place is amazing and it is a private institution and provides excellent knowledge in management, engineering and other fields.
This institute was established in the year 2009. This is a world-class institution and has state-of-the-art infrastructure, and the campus is almost 7,000 square feet in area. GGI is the first engineering college in northern India to introduce its students to automation and robotics at the UG level.
Gulzar Group of Institutes is the only institute in Punjab to start BTech in Automation and Robotics Engineering. We have also established a KUKA Center of Excellence training to provide hands-on training to the students, also equipped with simulation program.
I had certain expectations over this college, and this college is fulfilling my expectations step by step. As there are so many practical works in our college, that is workshops twice a week, debate competition, seminars held in our college, and also there is another fest going to held in our college, that is Robomania.
Our institute is one of the premier institutions in this part of the country. Advantages of studying at GGI are manifold. Our university stresses upon human values, which is a unique thing in this country. The society is gradually witnessing a degradation in this field, in this aspect of life. We stress upon human values. We stress upon overall development of the student other than the academics.
It is fun to be at Gulzar Group of Institutes, as it has facilities like gymnasium, 24/7 Wi-Fi, cafe coffee day and much more.
Thing that I love about my college is the faculty and the staff members. There is different department for everything. Like if I want to learn something in programming, I can go for the CSE department, can hire a teacher and learn that language.
We have got a tie-up with the QEEE, which is a program under which we have got a live lectures from the teachers from IIT Madras, and about the mock interviews, how they're supposed to speak over there, what is accent.
It's easy to reach as it's just 5 kilometers away from the Khanna railway station and is located on the GT road.
GGI is offering all the kinds of courses with the best of the facilities to make sure that students get proper workable knowledge in their engineering basic years. We have a very well-planned laboratory programs for them.
The Gulzar Group of Institutes provide the best placement and internship in this degree Automation and Robotics.
GGI has provided me an amazing experience throughout the degree, because of which now I am a job provider, not a job seeker.
If you aspire to be here but you're too worried, then don't worry, because the college provides special and separate accommodation facilities for both boys and girls that can seat up to 200 girls and 600 boys.
Gulzar Group of Institutes provide an environment with updated technology and latest information that results in quality education.